Hello and welcome to the November 2021 construction update on Serenity 4212, a master planned multi-staged waterfront community on the stunning Gold Coast. I'm standing here at the entrance to Serenity Green, our first collection of 60 spacious townhomes, where the entry sequence is now complete, including all landscaping, and construction is well underway. Over 50% of the home site's foundations have now been completed, with frames going up, roofs going on, and windows going in. All driveways have also been completed, and a sequence of construction will move into top gear from here on to completion. Well, we're proud to announce that Serenity Reserve is now all sold out, and the appointed builder, PBS, has now established themselves on site and commencing with early site preparation and civil works underway, preparing for stormwater drainage and services provision. We'll look forward to keeping you updated as the slabs go down in the coming months. We're very excited to see so many new starts within Serenity Waters, a collection of 110 homes with multiple new slabs going down and frames going up, and the community starting to really come together.